Victoria is experiencing some very significant bushfires across most of eastern Victoria as we speak. So we have the opportunity today to potentially move about 500 people out of Mallacoota. At the moment we are moving people out by sea. Hopefully, if the smoke clears, which it's actually very thick in Mallacoota today, if the smoke clears, we'll be able to get aircraft into Mallacoota to assist in that transportation of people out of there as well. The other point that I would like to make is this is going to go on for a long time, and we need to be really conscious of that our communities have experienced some pretty significant trauma and some significant loss.